The Palm Beach County School District is set to make some changes to its Baker Act policy.
This after a federal court ruled against the district on behalf of students with disabilities who were unlawfully handcuffed, removed from their schools, and subjected to an involuntary psychiatric exam without parental consent. These students' families were awarded nearly $500,000 to be paid by the district.
CBS 12's Amber Robb joining us tonight from the Palm Beach County School District headquarters with more on the lawsuit and the changes the district is looking to make.
Right now, the Palm Beach County School Board is meeting, and on their consent agenda tonight, making changes to their mental health crisis policy. Forced psychiatric examinations of school children. According to Disability Rights Florida, a protection and advocacy group that helped represent families in a lawsuit against the Palm Beach County School District, they're trying to prevent situations like this.
No, you're not going to jail.
That's a 6-year-old girl being escorted from her school by sheriff's deputies after the Baker Act was invoked. Florida's Baker Act allows authorities to force a psychiatric evaluation on anyone, including children, deemed a threat to themselves or others.
This is a law that's really only meant for those in extreme crisis, who are truly a danger, immediate, imminent danger to themselves or others.
That's Caitlin Klibben with Disability Rights Florida. She says in the past, school districts across the Sunshine State, including Palm Beach County, have been accused of violating the Baker Act.
Increasingly, the Baker Act has been turned to as a solution for other types of concerning behaviors, which is not appropriate.
Imagine your child put in handcuffs and taken from school without committing a crime and without you knowing about it.
CBS 12 News has covered the use of the Baker Act in Palm Beach County extensively over the past 7 years.
After a Palm Beach County School District police officer invoked the Baker Act, taking him to the hospital in handcuffs.
A report by the Southern Poverty Law Center found the Palm Beach County School District involuntarily committed 1,217 students between 2016 and 2020, including more than 250 elementary school students. After the lawsuit in 2021, some policy changes were implemented, and the district claims the number of Baker Acts on school campuses dropped by more than 80%.
We do believe the school district has more room to grow on this front.
Wednesday, the district is once again discussing changes to its Baker Act policy. One of those proposed changes, transporting students in unmarked vehicles by plainclothed officers. Klibben says the changes the district continues to make are a step in the right direction.
We very much want to work with the district. We very much want to speak with them, have a healthy back and forth about how to make their policy as best as it could possibly be for the students and the parents that it's meant to protect.
Something Disability Rights Florida would like to see is parent involvement before invoking the Baker Act on a child. I reached out to the Palm Beach County School District to talk about the possible changes being made tonight. I did not receive a response back. Reporting in West Palm Beach, I'm Amber Robb, CBS 12 News.